Actually, yung ginawa namin yun, may sakit pa ako nun eh. So honored to be one of the rosters for this year's Men of the Year for People Asia, because yung mga kasama ko po dito hindi basta-basta. I mean, men who made a difference for this year and is continue to make a difference in the years to come. So, sarap lang sa pakiramdam kasi parang nagbubunga lahat ng yung mga works ko behind the camera, and I never really wanted credit for that. I just wanna, you know, somehow one way or another live a mark in terms of my sa legacy ko. I'm in my legacy building stage, and the question every day that pops in my head is how do you want to be remembered by the people around you? And that's the reason why I keep on doing what I'm doing regardless of the circumstances ahead. Because my vision is to make a difference in the community, most especially to help everyone in need. That's my priority. Okay, syempre sobrang grateful tayo na ma-recognize at ma-nominate sa mga different kinds of award-giving bodies, most especially FAMAS, who has been here for 73 years. But ako naman po kasi bilang aktor, sinasapuso ko lahat ng mga trabahong tinatanggap ko at binibigay ko lahat. And having recognized and being given a recognition for nominations is just a bonus. Kumbaga, validation siya ng hard work, and I feel honored, especially every time I get to be nominated as well. And of course, pag nananalo tayo, mas cloud9 feeling yun. But yun, nagpapasalamat ko of course sa lahat ng bumubuo po ng FAMAS for making me one of your nominees for this year. Actually, yung ginawa namin yun, may sakit pa ako nun eh. I was recovering from flu I had, because I've been traveling din kasi here and there every now and then the past few months of 2025, and marami pa actually in the months to come. But ayoko din kasi talagang magbigay ng half-baked for performance, and yung effort na binibigay ng mga star duos natin sa show na yon is more than commendable. If you only knew, mga kapuso, and I'm sure nakikita nyo sa mga digital contents na pinapalabas namin, na kung gaano nila binubuhos lahat dito, na this is not just a job anymore, it's a passion being brought into reality. And every dance move, every choreography, every music that the star duos is doing is a sign of and something that it's a statement saying that we're really serious about this craft, which is dancing. So, siyempre hindi ka pa magbibigay ng extra effort mo kung ikaw yun, di ba? Kung lahat ng mga kasama mo sa show, todo bigay, ikaw half-baked. So, ini-effort ko talaga siya. Kaya, bigay todo rin. I mean, kung anong sabihin ng choreographer, gawin natin. And it's quite rewarding. You know, yung halos lahat kami, and also the Dance Authority was able to deliver groundbreaking performances. Two more movies, hopefully this year. A teleserye early next year. What else? Yun, aviation school, cycling. Yung one of the films na gagawin ko, isa doon director ako ulit.
Wow.
Actor-director. So, daanan ko na naman ulit. And then, mga international engagements. Pero ayoko kasi ma-prep, kaya hindi ko muna sabihin.